This is a tile that I stupidly dropped on a tile from about 3 feet up, and it cracked here and here. So I repaired it using Elmer's glue. I smeared it all, and then I stuck it back together, and then I weighted it, and I left it near a heater, a steam radiator, just to keep it warm. And it worked. Smeared it all around, filled in any gaps on the sides and here. And then I stupidly dropped it again. Oh, there's a chip here I repaired with Elmer's glue. And then I actually put more on it, and then I'll just scrape it down later with a razor blade to smooth it off. But that's at the end. But the thing is, I dropped it again, and it didn't break. So my point is, this Elmer's glue worked great on this. It's quite porous. This particular type of tile.